Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2023. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Wigglerama effect so you can add random movement to your entire composition. For my composition settings, I'll bring those up using Command or Control K. I'm using 1920 by 1080 pixels, 12 frames per second, 10 seconds in duration. So everything you see here in the composition window, I grouped them together into a pre-comp that you see here labeled BG. If I double click to open that, you'll see it's made up of a bunch of texture layers. I have some text right here, this Polaroid frame, and then my logo. If I zoom in a little bit, you'll see there's some real subtle movement. The logo's moving a little bit. The Polaroid's just got a little wiggle on it. And the Wigglerama is just moving a little bit. And to give everything a uniform movement, I'm going to use the Wigglerama effect. To do so, I'm going to add it to an adjustment layer. So I'm going to right click or control click right in the layers panel, go to New, Adjustment Layer. Then I'm going to go to the Effects and Presets panel. If you don't see that, go to the Window menu and go to Effects and Presets. I'm just going to type out Wiggle. So W-I-G-G-L-E. And there I'm going to see Wigglerama. I'm just going to drag it right onto the adjustment layer. As you can see, the Wigglerama default settings are just a little bit too drastic. So we're going to go to the effect controls and customize the settings to get exactly how we want it. The first thing that you'll want to do if you are using the Wigglerama effect and you have pre-comp layers, such as I have here with BG, locate this little star icon. This is the collapse transformation or the continuously rasterized column. If you don't see that, go to the bottom of the layers panel and click on toggle switches and modes, or just right click or control click right in the header area, go to columns, and make sure that switches is checked. So here's the before, and the orange that you see is just the background color in the composition settings, and when I tick the little box, you're going to see it's really helping out the scale. Okay, so let's get the Wigglerama effect under control. First, I'm going to select the adjustment layer, hit enter or return. I'm going to rename it Wigglerama to keep things organized. With the layer selected, I'm going to go up to the effect controls. Wiggle speed, I'm going to change that to 0.5. Wiggle nervousness, 1 is the lowest setting, so I'm going to keep it at that. Wiggle position, I'm going to change this down to 10. Wiggle rotation, I'm going to bring this all the way down to 0.5. Wiggle scale, I'm going to bring that down to 0.5. I want this effect to be very subtle. And wiggle width, I'll cut that in half, bring it down to 5%. I'll tap the spacebar to preview. Nice. The Wigglerama effect is adding random movement to my entire composition. And one thing to note, when you add the Wigglerama effect, it also includes the transform effect. So you can adjust any of the transform properties. For example, if it was scaled in too much or too little, you can adjust the scale height and width using the transform effect. And that is the Wigglerama effect to add random movement to your composition in Adobe After Effects CC 2023. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.